amongst the stars. I never should have left my home. I never should have left you. I never should have left Dad. I hear the coyotes on the mountains of Mars. They howl, howl tender. They howl at the moon. They howl for me and you. And I hear the winds on silent blowing for me and for me and you. I just want to spacewalk with you. Take my hand and take me through. I just want to spacewalk with you. Take my ship and let the two of us leave. Sebastian. Give it up for the sexiest saxophone player you ever heard. I just want to spacewalk with you. Take my hand, we'll take a stroll across the world. I just want to spacewalk with you. Take the ship and let the two of us leave. I found her floating amongst the stars. And I thought if I could save her, then maybe there was a chance she could save me. I thought if there was a chance that she could save me, I could save her. Save I've done the floating and I wondered what lies beyond the horizon. Could it be another burnt out song? I don't think I can take another burnt out one. I gotta find her before she sings. Before she sings her last song before the rain goes I just want to spacewalk with you. Take my hand, we'll take a stroll across the world. I just want to spacewalk with you. Take my ship and let the two of us leave. Mr. Maddie! I just want to spacewalk with you. Take my hand, we'll take a stroll across the world. I just want to spacewalk with you. Take my ship and let the two of us leave. All right, everybody, everybody. I just want to spacewalk with you. Take my hand, we'll take a stroll across the world. I just want to spacewalk with you. Take my ship and let the two of us leave. I just want to spacewalk with you. Take my ship and let the two of us be the crew. Thank you all for space walking with us this evening.
Alien baby.
Hope you had a good time tonight.
Gig.
Love you guys, everybody. Love you guys. Guava, cheetah. Cheetah. Whoa, the cheetah runs real fast, he'll eat your ass. He stops his prey from much to me inside that tall, tall ground. Whoa, the cheetah runs real fast, he'll eat your ass. Guess where he's stalking you from? Inside that tall ground. Whoa, the cheetah. Hunting you inside the tall ground. Oh, the cheetah run real fast, he'll eat your ass. He stalks his prey from months to May. Inside the tall, tall grass. Oh, he's taking you home. He's taking you to his home. To feed you to his young. Oh, the cheetah run real fast, he'll eat your ass. He stalks his prey from months to May. Inside the tall, tall grass. Oh, do you see what you've done? You've awoken the Lola cheetah. Oh, here he comes. There's nowhere to hide. The Lola cheetah stalking you. There's only one home you have to blend in. Look, Lola cheetah. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look, Lola cheetah. Look, Lola cheetah run real fast, he'll eat your ass. He stops his brain from months of May inside that tall, tall ground. Oh, the cheetah runs real fast, he'll eat your ass. He's stalking you from where? Inside the tall grass, guava cheetah. Guava cheetah take you home to his young. He's gonna feed you to his young. Oh no, guava cheetah. Guava cheetah run real fast, he'll eat your ass. He stalks his prey from months of May inside the tall, tall grass. Guava cheetah runs real fast, he'll eat your ass. Inside the tall grass, guava cheetah. Now we're done. All right, there we go. Thank you guys so much. That was an amazing evening. Oh,
We still gotta do the draw and all that stuff.
we still got to do the draw. So
everybody go get tickets in the back if you want them for that big package of pot stuff. And still time. Still time. Do like a bong and like a fucking costume.